Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to publish your Lovable app on App Store. First, open your browser and go to lovable.dev and log in with your account. Once you're inside, select the project you want to publish. Click on Publish and then copy the URL. Next, go to median.co in your browser. Sign up and log in. On the dashboard, click New App. You'll be asked for your app's web URL. So paste the web link of your Lovable app, then tap Start Building My App. Median will begin generating a native build for your app. Make sure to click iPhone on top. After that, download the IPA file. Now open App Store Connect and sign in using your Apple Developer account. If you don't have one yet, go to Apple Developer and sign up for the Apple Developer program. There's an annual fee required to activate the account. Once your developer account is set up, go back to App Store Connect and click My Apps. Select the plus button and choose New. Fill out all the required details and then click Submit for review. Apple's review process usually takes between 1 to 3 days. As long as your app follows their guidelines, it will get approved and be ready for release on the App Store.